Hello everyone. Do you want to know what are the situations when you should never use Google search ads? As an agency, keep on receiving requests from many business owners who complain that we have been running Google search ads since 15 days or 1 month, but still we haven't got any results. In fact, they wouldn't even have spent even a single rupee on their campaigns. Do you want to know what are those situations where Google search ads is not a right idea to go for? Today, in this video, we are going to learn what are those situations when you should not use Google search ads and what is the solution for this. Before getting in, let me introduce myself. Hi, I'm Rahil Ahmed, the CEO and co-founder of Parkoyo Digital, one of the leading digital marketing agencies in Bangalore. As I told you, there have been some businesses which are completely unique and still there are no searches on Google. When there is a new unique idea which is still not so popular, you can't find this kind of searches in Google. Now, to give you an example, just imagine in the year 2008 when Zomato was launched. Do you think there were any searches on Google related to Zomato? Like food ordering app online or where can I order food online? Do you think these kind of searches existed in the year 2008? The answer is no. People were not aware that they can also order food online in the year 2008. So, what do you think? How do you think Zomato would have solved this problem? The answer to this is Google display ads. During initial phase, whenever there is a unique idea, you have to take help of Google display network. In Google display ads, what happens is your ads are not shown on search engines. Your ads are actually shown with targeting of your demographic audience on different websites like blogs or different websites. Here you break the attention of your audience, whomever you want to target. For example, you want to target maybe men in the age group of 25 to 55 years who are interested in BMW cars, who are interested in Mercedes cars, or who are interested in Apple mobile phones. By adding these interests and targeting the exact age group which you want to target, you will start showing display ads. Like, just imagine Zomato showing you an ad. Order idli sambar in just one click by comfort of your home. Or one more ad mentioning now you can order biryani online. Order and get it delivered within 30 minutes. When you see this kind of ads, you get to know that this kind of service also exists. Now you need not go to a restaurant in order to buy food. You can just sit at home, log into their website or app and order food online. Once initially you take the help of display network and the popularity increases, people get aware that this kind of services are also available in the market, and then automatically, for example, mouth to mouth publicity. Today I ordered food online, I will tell to my friends, cousins, relatives. Maybe after 1 week they now need to order food online. They don't know from where to order, they don't know the name of Zomato or Swiggy, whatever. They will go to Google and search how to order food online, where to order food online, and at this particular point of time search ads will work. So the action plan is start with display ads whenever you have a unique idea, right? Once your idea is popular, you have enough demand in the market, the search network, the searches will also increase and you can also start targeting Google search ads. Hope you have got a clarity at what are the situations when you should never use Google search ads. Thanks for watching this video. In case you want to learn more about digital marketing, feel free to join my VIP group by clicking on the link mentioned in the description or comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can be notified whenever I upload this kind of new videos. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Take care. Bye.